mag-start na tas atong kanang ukulele lesson. Okay. Sige, paandam. Letter C, strum. Letter C. Next letter G.
Oh no!
Tarong mag-fret.
Is this the one? Is this the right one?
Letter G. Islat ng gitara. Ipa. Sige na. Letter F.
F? Oh, not F. F. This is how you do F, guys. This is how you do F. Put your first thing.
This one will be here.
In the second.
And this one, the middle finger will be up here in the second one. 3, 2, 1.
That's letter F.
This is letter F.
Okay, the next letter is G7.
G7. This is G7.
First fret, ang
First
finger,
one is
second
right
string.
here.
Then kana.
This one here, this one here.
You'll be here. You'll be here.
Sige.
This one will be right
That's
here.
correct. Sige, G7.
And this one will be right up here on the
right
second
up.
one. And this one right here will be the
second one's
this
down.
one.
Oh, sige.
The most
That's
down
good.
one.
Oh, sige, down.
3, 2, 1,
Strum.
2.
Sige. Very good. Letter C, start.
C, oh no. This is how you do letter C. It's just basic. First you go 1, 2, 3. Here, this is the 3, and use your middle finger to place it in the number 3.
Okay.
And it's in the lowest one.
Bahay Kubo G.
G, asa tong G?
Di, save ka rin. Di ba yun naman na?
G7 ho.
G. Yeah, this one.
Mm.
Number 2.
Kahit F. Munti. Balik si.
Balik si.
Si. Ang halaman do. G. Do. On. Ay, sari. G. Balik. Ay, F. Di ay. Ay, di. Sari. Balik. Di. Si. Sari. Ang talong F. Dili ang singkamar at talong G day. Singkamar sisa singkamar at talong G.
G here. Bababa.
At talong
Sigarilyas at mani.
Sitaw Sitaw Adi day kung sa to sitaw F mo na ito ayaw G minor mo ito
G7.
G7 mo gusto.
G7 Sitaw Sitaw one day F day sitaw ba then G bata patani kundol patula ukod kalabasa at saka mayroon pa laban at saka mayroon pa labanos mustasa buyas kamatis bawang at luya sa panin balik. Sige. Bahay, letter C. Kubo, letter G. Bahay, letter C. Bahay, letter C. Kubo, letter G. Kahit di ay. Bahay. Pag-ana ka dali. Pag-ana ni mo dali skuan. Bahay, kubo. Ang kubo, letter G na. Bahay, kubo. Kahit munti. Pagbalik na kasi. Ika kag si. Bahay, kubo. Kahit munti. Ang halaman doon ay
Sari-sari.
halaman doon.
Ay
Sari-sari. Singkamat at talong. Sigarilyas at mani. Sigarilyas at mani. Sitaw, sigarilyas at mani. Sitaw, bataw, at ani.
Also remember this.
Ingat at mani. Ingat at mani. Sigarilyas at mani. Sitaw, bataw, at ani.
That's how you do it, guys.
Atong
See ya in the next video. Bye-bye.